prosecutor. I want to get your view on this. This story is breaking on Friday afternoon, got a lot of attention then. There's a judge in Milwaukee. Her name is Hannah Dugan, and apparently she had alleged victims of a crime that was perpetrated by an illegal immigrant in Milwaukee. And she apparently gave the so-called defendant an area to, I don't know if you want to call it hideout or not, but to take refuge. And there were ICE agents who agreed to wait outside the courtroom. This is what the complaint says in part, Trey. It says the courtroom deputy then saw Judge Dugan get up and heard Judge Dugan say something like, "Wait, come with me." Despite having been advised of the administrative warrant for the arrest of Flores Ruiz, Judge Dugan then escorted Flores Ruiz and his counsel out of the courtroom to the jury door, which leads to a non-public area of the courthouse. Is this what it's come to?
Yeah, that's obstruction, and she's going to go from wearing black to wearing orange. Judges have immunity for their official acts. This is not an official act. This is a criminal act. So, yeah, I'll go through all the niceties. She's presumed innocent. She has the right to a jury trial, all of that. Judges, what I find so bitterly ironic, Bill, is all the people on the left who were complaining about presidential immunity now want immunity for a judge. And you and I couldn't do that. So how can a judge, the fact that you have on a black robe does not empower you to break our criminal laws. I hope she likes orange, because she's probably going to be in it.
Can I ask you to respond to this? This is Jamie Raskin from Maryland. He's Democrat. This is what he said.
The first felony criminal charge brought against Judge Hannah Dugan in Wisconsin is interfering with a legal proceeding. All of the people in the Trump administration who participated in defying that order by Judge Boasberg themselves could be arrested for interfering with a legal proceeding and perhaps other criminal charges like kidnapping.
What do you think of his point there?
Well, Jamie's an old law professor, and when you have bad facts, you want to change the subject. He has really bad facts on the judge in Wisconsin. I mean, I understand, I guess, if I were in his classroom, I understand the analogy. The difference is I don't think you had anybody in the Trump administration who said, hey, go out that door. Let's evade capture by going out that door. If you want to litigate whether or not the immigration judge's order is enforceable, if you want to litigate the word facilitate, that's a hearing. That's not a crime. What the judge in Wisconsin did was a crime. Look, Jamie's a smart guy, so he knows better. You cannot analogize those two fact patterns, but he's got bad facts in Wisconsin. He's got bad facts when it comes to immigration, so of course he's going to change the subject.